Bhimrao Ramji Ambedkar, also known as Baba Sahib Ambedkar. He was independent India's first Minister of Law and Justice and considered as the chief architect of the Constitution of India. Upon India's independence on 15 August 1947, the new Congress-led government invited Ambedkar to serve as the nation's first law minister, which he accepted. On 29 August, he was appointed chairman of the Constitution Drafting Committee and was appointed by the Assembly to write India's new constitution. Gravely Austin described the Indian constitution drafted by Ambedkar as first and foremost a social document. The majority of India's constitutional provisions are either directly arrived at furthering the aim of social revolution or attempt to foster this revolution by establishing conditions necessary for its achievement. The text prepared by Ambedkar provided constitutional guarantees and protections for a wide range of civil liberties for individual citizens, including freedom of religion, the abolition of untouchability, and the outlawing of all forms of discrimination. Ambedkar argued for extensive economic and social rights for women and won the Assembly's support for introducing a system of reservations of jobs in the civil services, schools and colleges for members of scheduled castes and scheduled tribes and other backward classes, a system akin to affirmative action. India's lawmakers hoped to eradicate the socio-economic inequalities and lack of opportunities for India's depressed classes through these measures. The Constitution was adopted on 26 November 1949 by the Constituent Assembly. Ambedkar opposed Article 370 of the Constitution of India, which granted a special status to the state of Jammu and Kashmir and which was included against his wishes. Balraj Madok reportedly said Ambedkar had clearly told the Kashmiri leader Sheikh Abdullah, "You wish India should protect your borders. She should build roads in your area. She should supply you food grains and Kashmir should get equal status as India. But government of India should have only limited powers and Indian people should have no rights in Kashmir. To give consent to this proposal would be a treacherous this against the interest of India and I, as the Law Minister of India, will never do it." Then Sheikh Abdullah approached Nehru, who directed him to Gopalswamy Iyengar, who in turn approached Sardar Patel, saying Nehru had promised Sheikh Abdullah the special status. Patel got the article passed while Nehru was on a foreign tour. On the day the article came up for discussion, Ambedkar did not reply to questions on it, but did participate on other articles. All arguments were done by Krishnaswamy Iyengar. During the debates in the Constituent Assembly, Ambedkar demonstrated his will to reform Indian society by recommending the adoption of a uniform civil code. Ambedkar resigned from the cabinet in 1951 when Parliament stalled his draft of the Hindu Code Bill, which sought to enshrine gender equality in the laws of inheritance and marriage. Ambedkar independently contested an election in 1952 to the lower house of parliament, the Lok Sabha, but was defeated in the Bombay constituency by a little known Narayan Sadoba Kajrolkar, who polled 138,137 votes compared to Ambedkar's 123,576. He was appointed to the upper house of parliament, the Rajya Sabha, in March 1952 and would remain as member till death.